Hi all, welcome back to our channel. Today I am sharing the recipe of an Ayurvedic hair oil for healthy, shiny, thick and smooth hair. Let's get started with the recipe. To prepare this oil, here I have taken 1 liter of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, 8 to 10 pieces of black pepper, 1.5 tablespoon of black cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of dried amla. If it's not available, you can use the fresh gooseberry. And a small piece of surma stone, which is also known as Anjana color or Kohil stone. It's a natural stone which usually used to make the surma. Now let's start with the wet ingredients. For that I have taken 5 to 10 pieces of shallots, some fresh henna leaves, fresh neem leaves or vepila, curry leaves, brahmi. These all ingredients are freshly available in our backyard. Also I have taken the basil leaves or tulsi, the main ingredient is aloe vera or katarwala. Also I have taken Kedar Nelli, which is an Ayurvedic herbal medicine. We will use the complete plant. I have taken hibiscus leaves and hibiscus flowers. You can use either fresh flower or the dried flowers. Here I have powdered all the dry ingredients and I have removed and prepared the gel from aloe vera. Also I have removed all the leaves. We will use a bunch of leaves from all the ingredients. Now I am going to grind all the wet ingredients. For that, first I have taken the shallots. Into that I am adding the aloe vera gel. Let's grind it. Here our grinded aloe vera and shallots is ready. Into that I am adding all the other leaves. All these leaves are highly nutrient. It has some essential amino acids, antioxidants and vitamins and minerals which will really enhances the hair growth and helps to prevent the premature graying of your hair. You can roughly chop these leaves with your hands. No need to add any water. We have made a fine paste of this all fresh leaves. Here I have taken a hot kadai. I am using an iron kadai. Into that I have added 1 liter of coconut oil. Give it a nice boil. After that you can add all the dry powdered ingredients. Make sure that you will keep the flame in a low flame. Then you can add all the finely grinded paste into the boiled oil. Keep it in a low flame or try to switch off the flame. Try to use a big kadai to prepare the oil. Give it a mix. Keep it in a low flame. Once the ingredients starts to get boiled, you can see the bubbles will be formed, and continue the boiling process until all the ingredients will cook well and make sure that all the moisture has gone. Here I have cooked the oil for 1 to 1.5 hours in a low flame. We need to boil it until all the moisture will come out. It's almost done. As you can see, no more bubbles are formed. Everything is cooked well. Keep it in the same pan and allow to cool it completely. Once it has cooled down, pour it into a bowl by using a strainer. Here I have taken a clean cotton cloth to strain it. Try to use this type of cloth to strain the oil. It will catch up even the fine particles Make a pouch like this. And squeeze it gently. As you can see here, all the sediments are completely strained with the cloth. Now I am transferring it into a glass jar by using a funnel. You can see the color of the oil has been changed after we cooked with all the ingredients. Here I am going to add the secret ingredient, which is surma stone. I have powdered it. You can see the black shining color of this surma stone or Anjana Kallu. You can add it into the glass jar and give it a mix. Here our Ayurvedic herbal oil is ready to use. You can apply it on your hair 2 to 3 times in a week and allow the oil to stay on your scalp for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it with mild shampoo. Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends.